am Jagriti Bhatnagar, a UGC mentor. Today we will discuss on the topic Unit 5, East Asian and Southeast Asian countries. So first of all, you have not subscribed my channel, please hit the bell icon below for more updates. And there is a news for you who are preparing for UGC Nta performing dance, drama and theatre. You can enroll now in my academy. You can WhatsApp us in my WhatsApp number. We will share you, our team will share with you that all the details of the how it will be going. It is 15 days crash course will be there. So we will be teaching you 1 to 10 all the units and giving you the mock tests and previous year questions. So you can enroll now, and 25th May it will be starting. There are limited seats, only 15 candidates can enroll in my academy. So we are starting with it. There are, first of all, we will come to China. There are folk dance of China is Yangge, Lantern, Iranzun. There is two ballets known as Shanghai Ballet and Hong Kong Ballet. Then I will come to Japan. Then is ritual dance, Yi dance, No dance. It is a popular folk dance is a dragon and lion. There are a lot of popular folk dance there. So it is dragon and lion is the main one, important one that comes in exam. There is a classical dance known as Kabuki dance drama. It always come in papers, in previous year papers. It is seen. Kabuki, you have to learn it by hearted it. Okay, Kabuki is a dance drama of of Japan and Nomai. Then it is folk dance of Japan is born Odri and Jintamai. Then we come to Korea. Korea's traditional dance is ghost dance, fan dance. Folk dance is Jeomu. It is also known as sword dance. Sugmu. Then South Korean dance is Hilangmu, Bacham, which is come mu in it. So it is a Korean dance, South Korean dance. Okay, it is a simple trick to understand it. Then it is South Asian dance. This is Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. First we come to Bangladesh. Folk dance is ball dance. Ball dance every time comes in previous paper. We have seen it. If you are learning for the first time, so please go through it. Ball dance, Gambhir dance. A puppet is there. Road puppet, string puppet is there. Then we come to Pakistan. Pakistan dance is Attan, Maharaja Gulab Hussain Kathak dance. Then we come to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is Candian and waist dance. It is very important. Every time it will come. Sri Lanka dance is Candian and waist dance. Then we come to Southeast Asian dance, Indonesia, Bali, Java, Thailand, Laos, Philippines. Indonesia famous dances Saman, Tari Pairing. Bali is Kechak, Legong. Then it is Bedea, Kolak. Thailand is Khon, Lakhon. Vietnam is Bai Bong, Lantern. Bai Bong always come in Vietnam. So read it and go through it. Cambodia classic dance is Khmer dance. Khmer dance is a classical dance. It is folk dance as well in Khmer. So it comes from Apsara and blessing dance are the parts of Khmer dance. Folk Khmer dance is also there. It is no ceremonial or theatre Khmer dance. Then we will come to Myanmar. It is Burmese, Bagan, Billu. Then there are a lot of dances. I have given two dances for your understanding. These dances comes in Asian countries. Then it is Philippines, the tinkling, the itik itik. Then we will come to Lois, Lampong or Farah Lake and Farah Ram. Thank you for watching my video. If you want everything details like God, goddess name, ballet companies, and these are two things, and it is more than that. The names are lot more of every East Asian dance So and puppet dance. So you can join my academy. You can WhatsApp us on the description, which is given in description below. Please do subscribe and like, share my channel as much as possible. For more updates you will get, and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.